નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's move ahead in lesson number 7. The title of that lesson number 7 is Baking. It's written by Jerome Cajero. Actually, this lesson is really interesting lesson because this baking is connected with our life forever. Think for your bed. Each and every time you have to move ahead with the baking of your bed. And that is our lesson. Because this baking, think for your mother. When we are going out, the first thing is baking. Baking is much more important. And so that either father or mother would be always active in the baking. Think. You visited XYZ place early in the morning, when at night you reached there little late, you went to bed soon as and when you reached there. Early in the morning as and when you reached there, when you awoke, then afterwards you will ask brush, you will ask toothpaste, you will ask tongue cleaner, you will ask towel, you will ask napkin, you will ask your clothes, you will ask this and that. Everything you will ask to your mother. She has to be careful while packing everything. When she is there with the baking, at the time she is not there for baking only and only her needs. She has to be careful with the needs of all. Needs of all means all the family members. And that is the identity of intellectual work, especially with the baking. The same thing is there. If you are having a skill for baking, people will remember you, people will call you, people will give you chance for baking. Why is it so? Because that is only the skill to keep you always ready with the same. Got the idea? Now one more thing I'll tell you. If you don't know baking, then what will you do? If you don't know baking, then afterwards there will be a problem for you. Within a limited space, you have to be ready. With a limited space, you have to be ready to keep all your necessary goods, articles, clothes, this and that, everything. For an example, મને એક ટેવ છે, હું ગમે ત્યાં જાઉં, પગમાં પહેરવાની સ્લીપર મારી સાથે હોય. Luck by chance, suppose that I forgot it, then think it. Suppose that if I forgot it, then what will you do? What I will do? That would be a question for me forever. Got the idea? This is the importance of our mother. Whatsoever you will ask, she will provide it to you. And if something is missing, she will manage it in such a way that baking will remain as it is without any change. The same thing is given over here. This is written by Jerome Cajero. Here, 3 characters are there. First one is Harris George. Second one is Harris. And third one is Jerome Cajero. First one George, second Harris, third Jerome K. Jerome. These three characters are there. This is not a story, but this is an incident with Peking. What happened with the Peking? I say, because he is the writer, so that I say is equal to Jerome K. Jerome. Jerome said to them means George and Harris. What? I would bet when we are going out, Peking would be under my jurisdiction. I rather pride myself on my Peking. I have pride myself on means to have a proud on oneself. હું જેવું પેકિંગ કરું ને એવું કોઈ પેકિંગ ના કરે. I have pride and proud on myself, especially for the baking. Why is it so? Because it's an art. Really, it's an art. Baking is one of those many things that I feel I know more about than any other person living on this earth or living with me, George and Harris. બીજા બધાને આવડે ને એટલે મને વધારે આવડે. Really, it's an art, and this is really an excellent work. If you can do the baking in a right way, this is really good for you, for your life, and for the persons, those who are connected with you. This is confirmed. And it surprises me myself sometimes how many such things there are. What I can perform better than the others. I impressed the fact upon George and Harris. Plus one, total 3. I impressed the fact upon George and Harris and told them that they had better leave the whole matter entirely to me. Don't worry, be happy. Leave this matter to me. I will perform it. Baking in a right way. They fell into the suggestion. They fell into suggestion means they accepted the idea that okay, it's okay. You manage the baking. Into suggestion with readiness and had something uncanny, strange, unfamiliar. Became unfamiliar. This condition. About it, George spread himself over the easy chair. We are having easy chair. And Harris cogged his legs on the table. Cogged means placed. Cogged means placed. Placed his leg on the table. Table is there. He placed his legs on the table. Hey, now lamba pakkarin beta bhai. Shanti thi. Bas. Karto hi karne bhai mane su fer pade. Because it's an art. What our mother performs each and every time when we are going out. This was hardly what I intended. What I had meant, of course, was that I should boss the job and that Harris and George should potter about under the charge of my jurisdiction because they don't have this skill of baking. Under my directions, they have to be. Under my dominance, they have to. Who packed can say who observed can predict, and who has given the duty, he has to be a slave. Dene yaar, please, hey bhai, dene yaar. This must be the condition, so that you have to be attentive for packing. In life, it is the best example you will get with your mother, with your father. I pushing them aside every now and then with, oh you yaar, oh tara khabar na padane yaar. Here, let me do it. Okay, because he only packed it, he knows it well where he has kept that thing in the right way. There you are, simple enough here, really teaching them, as you might say. They're taking it in the way they did irritated me. They were used to irritate me. Me means Jerome Kachero. But he will act always as a boss. Can? Ene karyu છે એને ખબર હોય. You yaar, leave it na yaar, I'll give it to you. કેમ? એને જ ખબર છે, બીજા કોઈ ખબર નથી. There is nothing does irritate me more than seeing other people sitting about doing nothing when I am working. Quite common, sir. When you are working and others are sitting in front of you, that makes irritation. બીજા કામ કરે છે પોતે બેસે જોજો તમારી આસપાસ પણ કેટલા લોકો એવા હશે. They are having this tendency. They will sit without any work. Work છે તોય નથી કરવું. At that time you feel irritation. એ સમયે તમને ગુસ્સો ચડે. એ સમયે તમને એના પ્રત્યે થોડા નેગેટિવ વિચાર આવે. Quite common. No one can say that I don't have such kind of tendency in my life. No, it's not like that. This is common for all. This is common for all. And what happened with the same lesson, with the same content, that we will come to know little later. Till that time, I'll give you time to 1 or 2 seconds to write down what you want to write from here. Okay?
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.